Hi everyone. So in this session, I will explain you how can we create the ABAP Cloud project using this BTP trial account. Let me show you. This is the account, BTP trial account that I created. So I will explain in another session like how can we create this BTP trial person, trial account end to end. And then we have to create this ABAP instance. Okay, so this ABAP instance I created, and then you can see. Let me click on it, and then it will come here, and you can just verify the service key, and I will explain like how can we create this service key. This service key we have to create, and now if you click on the view, this is the JSON file. Okay, so this JSON file we can upload in the Eclipse. So first let me copy the JSON, or let me show you here. ABAP Cloud project. So do you have the service key? Yeah, we do have. Extract the URL from the service key. Now, here you can copy paste your JSON. Copy JSON, or you can paste it. Okay, now next step will be, you can see my, yeah. Now I can see this is the service instance URL that will be created when you copy the JSON format here. Okay, and then provide the service key, copy to clipboard. Now copy. Now next. Yeah, so this account is created. Now you can open and you can log on. Just a minute. Oh, sorry, I was on mute. So you can copy this logo on URL and you can paste in the browser, or you can directly open to that. You can directly click on this open logo page in browser. Okay, so now I can see it has created the connection detail. This is our trial account, and now add project to the working set. It will create a project here and then finish. Okay, so now you can see this is your trial account. You can create different application, you can create CDS view, you can create any object or end-to-end application, Fiori application using RAP objects. Okay, so I'll explain in the next session like how can we create the BTP trial account, or how can we create the service key. So how are we creating the service key, then this JSON format, and then how can you that is done, like how can we copy this JSON and create the ABAP project. So now we are able to create the connection, but how can we create the account on the BTP cockpit trial account? So that I will explain in the next session. Thank you.